Welcome to this tutorial on recovering deleted pages, posts, or jobs in WordPress. In the next few minutes, you will learn a straightforward process to restore content that may have been removed inadvertently from your site. We will begin by accessing the WordPress homepage. Open your favorite web browser, type in the address of your WordPress site, and wait for the page to load completely. Once the site has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage where you will see the login option. Clicking this option initiates the process of entering your account. This login mechanism is designed to verify your credentials so that only authorized users can access the content management area. After selecting the login option, you will notice a choice to proceed using your Google account. Click on the button that indicates Continue with Google. Using this option simplifies the authentication process by linking your WordPress access to your trusted Google account. This integration not only streamlines login procedures but also adds an extra layer of security to your account. The next step involves choosing the correct Google account from the list provided. If you have multiple Google accounts, take a moment to select the account associated with your WordPress site. Confirm that you are using the right account to ensure that the proper permissions and settings are applied. This selection is crucial for maintaining a secure and organized workspace. Once you are successfully signed in, navigate to the posts area of your WordPress dashboard. This section houses all the posts you have created, and it is the starting point for recovering deleted content. In this interface, you will find an array of options that are organized to help you manage your posts efficiently. After entering the post section, look towards the top of the page where you will see a link that leads to the trash section. Clicking on the trash link allows you to view all items that have been deleted from your post list. This trash section acts as a temporary holding area, giving you the opportunity to restore content that may have been removed by accident. Within the trash section, you will identify the deleted item that you wish to recover. Carefully review the list, and once you have found the item, locate the option labeled Restore. Clicking on the Restore button will reinstate the deleted page, post, or job back to its original location in your dashboard. This action completes the recovery process and ensures that your content is once again available for editing and publication. By following these steps, you have learned to navigate through the WordPress interface, log in via your Google account, access the post section, review deleted items in the trash, and restore the desired content. Remember to take a moment to verify that the restored item appears correctly on your site after you have completed these steps. Enjoy using your WordPress site with confidence, knowing that you can easily recover content if accidental deletions occur.